Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can order from the LEROY MERLIN app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the app, then search some products what you would like to order. And you can simply add to your cart by tapping on this little green button, add to cart, and easily you add it. Or you can tap on the product's picture, then you scroll down and here you will see add to cart, this green button. Tap on it and you add it to your cart. Then go to the cart. On the bottom, the fourth icon is your cart, and here you can see my items. My items in my cart. Then you have to choose to pay by card, for example, and finalize the order. Oh, okay, here you can select to reserve and take from the shop, or to get to your home by delivery. If you would like to have by delivery, then tap on that and then scroll down and add your name, phone number, and your address, and tap on save. Then select that you would like to pay by cash at the delivery or pay by card. Then tap on finalize order. If you tap on it, you finalize the order and you will get those products in a few days. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.